Oh, I just got back from Harbor Freight and I got that adapter thingy. I'm gonna put this old Ryobi to the heavy duty world. Oh boy, she's struggling. Put some more PV blaster in there. You can only put so much on there. It's not like the steel is gonna soak it up. I'll go back the other way. Spray a little more on. Sometimes you gotta back off and go forward. The bolt is kind of warm. Anyway, I gotta clobber that with a hammer with reasonable force. Actually, ideally, this is the incorrect way of doing it. So I'm not gonna hit it with enough force to damage the threading. Because I'll never get that bolt back on if I do. Going easy and gentle. I don't know if that CV joint's any good anymore anyway, but if it is, I don't want a chance ruining it. Look at that. I think that is a candidate for scrap life. Well, before we get started on anything else, we're gonna spray up those bolts. Yes, the ABS light was on. Shocking, huh? Yeah, if we can get the tool to fit in there. Looks like a 13 millimeter, I think. Well, I'm still running this old phone that I have. I'm still not using the one that I got from Bob from Gill Skills. So that's why the videos are kind of crummy and sketchy. And I missed out on recording me removing this, and it pretty much, with this pickle fork, where is it? Right there. It pretty much came apart like a YouTube video. There's a couple of smacks and it wasn't all like rust welded together. But this, yeah, hub right there. I'm not getting that out. I unbolted it and all that, but you know what? I guess you'd need a press to get that. Alright, well, the video cut out with good reason. First of all, I ran out of gigabyte space on my phone, and that was pretty much the end of the repair, because when I pulled the spindle off, I found that the wheel bearing is froze to the spindle. It's going to need to be pressed out, and if I buy a new part from AutoZone or O'Reilly's, that's about $165. And yes, you can go to Rock Auto or whatever and get one for, I don't know, about $20 less. I just kind of wanted to fix it today. And if they send you the wrong part, which has happened before, then you have the big headache of returning it, and you already have the money out, and now you have to, no, you know what? It'll cost about $200 to have it pressed out and for me to buy a new wheel bearing. So I decided to go to the junkyard. The pick-and-pull didn't have any, so I went to one of those off-the-shelf type junkyards, and they have one in stock. Should be ready like tomorrow or whatever. So 90-day warranty. And if you go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's, it's a 1-year warranty, which always getting the new part is always better. But hey, if the part is defective from the junkyard, I've got 90 days to return it. $50 versus $200. $50 from the junkyard versus $200 for the part, and to have the old part pressed out. I don't know. I'll look in the YouTube comment section, and we will see the light right there. Actually, what we're seeing is a street light. Can we focus it on a little better? Looks like the moon, but it's not. It's just a street light, as far as you know. King, are you going to talk? Oh, I almost went to sleep. I feel bad for you guys watching these videos. I could make it like a Beeeemer Son Garage. How come you never see the guy repairing anything?